Everyone interact with that mentee until completes this evaluation model. I need all these details to understand about my batch, about my team. Working in IT, 6 members. Working in non-IT, 4 members. So completed the degrees of the post-graduations and yes, looking for the job, I hope so. That is no experience. Okay, 11 members. So some experience. 9 members, no experience. And out of the 11, 6 members from IT, 5 members from non-IT. Okay, good. Good statistics, but I didn't see this everyone responding that. Fine, if you don't have the interest, that's I'm okay with that. But participate it, that would be helpful. Good, let me move to the next. I filled this one also. How many years of experience or gap do you have thus? Okay. So 0 to 2 years, like 9 members. 3 to 5 years of experience, 6. Oh, really awesome. Greater than 5 years, 9 members. So freshers only 9 members. If you just call, okay, 10 members. 3 to 5, more than 5. Oh, this ratio 15 and that ratio is 10. Okay, good. Thank you. Next one is, has everyone joined that? $14, $15, $16. Be ready, everyone. So if I change the slide, it has to be ready. That's why I'm expecting proactiveness. Online to conduct this kind of the sessions, not only from my side and your side also, you have to be active. Good, let me continue with 19 members and still required to join just. Yeah, how many hours can you spend it per day or the week? Let me know the details. Per day wise, give it. Okay, can you spend that 4 hours or the 5 hours? Suppose some people who are working people are having some limitation, right? And non-working people, yes, how many hours you can spend it? This shows about your dedication. The amount of the time you are going to spend for about your career, that shows about your dedication. Okay, 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 1 to 2 hours per day. So 2 hours per day or 4 to 5. That's really awesome. The 10 hours. Good. Yeah, if you're looking for the job, what is about our role? What is about our goal? Like 9 to 10 hours. Easily. The 14, 15 hours who are working the real time. Can we work for this for about our career point of view, spending that at least 5 to 6 hours on an average? Okay, good. I see that's like a 2 is a list. 1 or 2 hours also per day. Okay. But at least I'm expecting the 2 to 3 hours per day. How many of you know the RNS portal? riseandshinetechnologies.com site. How many of you are already enrolled? If you are the new to this, new to us, yes, like maybe you didn't know about it. But already the existing students, yes, you know it already, then no issues. But who are the new people? Today, what you need to do is, so my team will share this in the chat window, risenshinetechnologies.com site URL. Then take that link and sign up. If you sign up, you will get it one free course, that is DevOps and Cloud Completed Demo. That is a 3 days demo, you will get it. So take it and go ahead and review those sessions. Yeah, if you know it already, that's fine. But if you don't know that, yes, my team will share that portal information in the chat window. Then take it and sign up, create an account, and one free course is available. Just to get familiar with that. Yeah, no issues. If you're the new or like if you're existing, yes, my team will help you. Next one is, yeah, my team has shared that portal information. You can just use that link, copy and paste it. How many of you know that RNS YouTube channel and Instagram? In the YouTube channel and Instagram, you will get that updates. You will get the updates. So please make sure that my team will share that in the chat window, YouTube channel, the link, and Instagram link. Please subscribe it and get ready to get that all the latest updates. Okay, 9 members already know it and 7 members you don't know it. But I see there's only 16 members result here, but already we have this almost 28, 29 members in the group. But what about others? Just watching? But participate it. Yes, just yes or no, just giving that click, right? Yeah, the Rising link portal and as well as the YouTube channel and as well as Instagram, all the links it has been shared in the chat window. So if you need that, the latest updates, yes, please take it and note it in the notepad. And once this class is over, follow up the Instagram and subscribe to that YouTube and sign up in Rise and Shine portal. Good. Thank you. The next point. Now this is about to classify whether do you know the DevOps and AWS already it or not. So if you're already working on the DevOps and AWS, opt for the first one. I am working now on this DevOps and AWS. And if you're not working, but you know the concepts or you have tried, then mark it the second option. I'm not working, but I know the DevOps. Third option is you don't have the idea and you are new to this course. Okay. No one is here who is working on the DevOps and AWS. Good, no issues. But 12 members, you have already trained. That means you know that DevOps and AWS. Whether you got it here or outside, I'm not talking about it. But you know DevOps and AWS, right? 12 members we have. But I didn't see all the members' result. We have this almost 30 members, but only 16 members responded. Then how do I know that? Or how do I get the clarity if we don't give the information? The next agenda point of view, how do I go ahead if we don't share the information? You have joined with interest, right, in this demo. You need to participate it. Then I will get that the accurate result, and as per the result point of view, I can go ahead to the next agenda to talk it. Which agenda I need to give the priority, which one I need to give the less priority. To get the clarity on it, Why I'm collecting this data? I'm not collecting about your all about your personal details. Just initially that email ID, that is just to follow up you. But remaining all this information, that is how I can go ahead to the next category to explain it. Okay, link is not working through my mobile. Okay, fine. Fine. Anyway, so but be active the next time onwards. I see that only 16 members respond, but 35 members almost logged into that. Then how do I get the clarity on it? Which one do I need to give the priority? Okay, good. But I see that's like more half of the people like this and half of the people like this, right? Yes, like half of the people who knows the DevOps and AWS and half of the people who are looking that's new. That is, I'm going to concluding that. Okay, next, if you know that, then let me ask some important points here. This is for especially who knows that DevOps and AWS. If you don't know that DevOps and AWS, next 5 minutes just sit idle. But who was mocking about it? I know AWS and DevOps. So the next point is for them. How do you rate about yourself on Linux? Out of 10. These are all first interview questions. No, not in the chart window. So, okay, link is not working, you mentioned, right? Okay, fine, good. But use this Minty, join in the Minty, and give me that if you know already DevOps and AWS, or if you don't know the DevOps and AWS, just mark it. I don't know. I'm the new. Are you joking? Who was given the 500? 9, 7, 6. Okay, 9. That's great. You are the master on the Linux then. Normally, average, I see that like 6 or 7. But if you give the more than that is nothing but you are the master. And if you have the certifications like RAHEL, like Red Hat Enterprise Linux certification, then you can mark it 8 and 9. But if you didn't have the certificate, and if you just complete the DevOps course, then mark like as either 6 or 7. But I see there's someone 9. Just to check it about your side. Yeah, cool. So the 2, 3, these are all like average. I mean, below average. 5 and 6 and 7, that is something better. Good. But 9 is extreme. Yeah, if you don't know, yes, that's fine. I'll come back. Don't worry about it. This one is especially for who knows about the DevOps and AWS. The next 3 or 4 questions, all these things for them on itself. How do you rate about yourself on the shell scripting? Keep this in the mind and give the answers. Shell scripting is one of the very, very, very important concept for the DevOps engineer. In the interviews point of view, if you like to crack the interview, shell scripting is important. Don't ignore the shell scripting. Okay, important concept. I see that's okay. 6. Okay, fine. 6, 5, 6, 7. I feel happy with those rankings, but the zero, okay, you don't know that. Okay, that's fine. 4 or 3 or less than that, if you see that, a lot of improvement is required. Because the shell is one of the important concept for the DevOps engineer. If you're learning the DevOps and if you'd like to settle in this career, that is required. Without the shell, you should not say that I am the DevOps engineer. Not just understanding the shell, you should be able to write the shell scripting. Now they are asking that in interviews, can you write that the sample code? Do you have that's capability? That is important. Okay, so keep that all these points. Are you able to say that yes or no? Keep all those points. Finally, we will conclude it. Next point. This is also for already who knows that AWS and DevOps. How do you rate about yourself on AWS? This is also the very, very important if you would like to crack the interview. So don't think that the only getting the job. Sustaining the job is also important. 2 points, always consider it. Getting the job, that is, you need to crack the interview. As per that, their expectation, you should be able to deliver about your concept. And second option is once you joined, you will be having the client interviews, you will be having that management discussions. That's also you need to face it. It is not just getting the job. That's not enough these days. Market is changed. As per the market, if you have the subject and if you are able to deliver that, then you can sustain it. Yeah, so here also I see that, okay, some team better, the 7, 8 I see. 6 also is good, but 2, 3, 4, 5, all these are all required to improve a lot. Yeah, next one more point. On the DevOps, how do you rate about yourself? That is about the Maven tools, Tomcat, databases. Yeah, Terraform, include the Terraform also here. Ansible. So all these tools point of view, how to rate about yourself? If you know already the concepts. If you don't know, wait, I'll come back. If you are the new to this DevOps and AWS, yes, just wait, I'll come back. Oh, DevOps, okay, 0 is nothing, but you don't know. Okay, fine, wait, no issues. 1, 4, 3, 9. Awesome, man. 8 also. 8, 9, if you give that, suppose they're all like entry questions. Don't think that these are all like honestly I'm wasting this about your time. No, these are all the interview questions. The first and foremost question, how do you rate about yourself? If they would like to start the Linux, they'll ask you how do you rate about yourself on Linux? How do you rate about yourself on the shell? Are you able to write the shell scripts? What about your AWS? Which services do you know it? What about your DevOps tools like Ansible? Do you know it or not? If you know it, how do you rate about yourself? How much experience do you have that's on it? How long have you been working? Yeah, these kind of the questions. The first impression is the best impression. Okay, I see that's good. 2 or 3 members, but yes, remaining the 5 less than 5 required a lot of improvement. The last but not the least, one more important the services which we should know, the Docker and Kubernetes as well as. Yes, how many of you are good with the Docker and Kubernetes? If you have already completed. Waiting to see this answer. 0, 3, 2. Noted down, basic, new to learn. Good, new to learn, don't worry. We have the solutions for it. Even that 5 less than 5 also mark it as required to the learn it. Even if you know that. So average skills are not going to helpful to get the job. Yeah, simple. Average skills in this current market is not going to helping that. We need to be something like more expressive and more elaborative and more. When can you elaborate it? Whenever we have the more subject. Yeah, all those points will come back. Yeah, now let's go ahead. Can you write the shell script? This is another, the interview question. I would like to see that how many of you are going to mark that yes. Okay, good. 1 member, 3 members. You are from existing RNS student or outside? So can you confirm that? The 6 members who was mocking that I can write shell script. Okay, Praveen, you are good. From RNS, okay. I expect something. Definitely, we are focusing on the shell as well as. Oh, all the RNS students, only 3 members. Good man. Thank you. Thank you about your conference. Good to see that. All the members, especially from RNS. Can you write the Ansible playbooks? You know the DevOps and AWS. Now in interview, if they ask you, can you write the Ansible playbooks? And if I ask some example, can you share about your desktop? Can you write the code? These they're all the interview questions. I am not asking these new questions. But check it about your answer. Where do you stand it? You are standing in the S position or no position. This is important. Knowing the concepts. No, that is not going to helpful these days. If you would like to sustain in the market, we have to be something different. You should present. You should not depend on others. That is important. You don't need that for about your interview, some other person helping that. Yes, this is the current market. Market is like that only. If I have the dependency on others, then you cannot get the job. Until after wasting so much time, then only you will get it. But if you are going to prepare about yourself and if you are improving about yourself for all the challenges to take it, then you can land in your hand with more job offers. I see this no 12 members and yes 5 members. Okay, fine, good. Python scripts, this is also important. if we are able to say that for these 3 questions, last I asked, that's the 3 questions, shell scripts, playbooks, and I didn't mention some questions, still we have more. This is about our daily journey. One day I cannot do everything. One day we cannot do everything. But if you are able to answer all these questions with yes, then you will get that offer without having the dependency on others. You don't need that other one or other institutes approaching, help me on that getting the job. But these are all important things. But we have the methodologies, how you can improve on this. More evaluation, more exercises. That is about our objective. That is how to crack an interview. So are you clear with this Mentimeter? Is it good interacting with this Menti? Just confirm that yes or no in the chat window quickly. How do you feel that interacting with this Menti? This is a daily approach which we'll be having that in the how to crack interview program. This is not just one way. The one way is that is learning time. But approach, now this is the like applying 2 ways approach required. About your interaction is required, and as well as you need to have that the guider who can make you the successful of this. Yes, we are here. Okay, so that's about it. Now you know that where you stand it. So if you don't know that, okay, yes, that is you are in the 0 step. And if you know that's DevOps and cloud, okay, you are in the mid of the position, mid of the whatever journey. About your goal to reach it. But what next we need to do that? Can you see the PPT screen? We have done these 2 activities, right? Everyone completed the form and Menti involvement. Okay, good. Let's move into that. How we have this, that's the agenda. So what are the approaches we have to make the successful of this about our journey to reach about your goal? How the organization is providing the service.